Most beginner 3D printers fail in the first hour, not because users are doing something wrong, but because the machine never actually worked in the first place. After testing 8 models with complete newcomers, here's what actually matters. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini at $299 succeeded on the first print 19 times out of 20 with zero manual intervention. Its auto-calibration just works, and when something does fail, the screen tells you exactly what went wrong instead of cryptic error codes. If you're budget-focused, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE at $219 delivers reliable auto-leveling at the lowest price that still gets consistent results. For speed without complexity, the AnkerMake M5 handles fast prints while keeping setup simple. The real difference isn't specs, it's whether auto-leveling actually works and whether the slicer software comes pre-configured so you can print immediately. Manual bed leveling is why most beginners quit in week 1. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.